Have you ever done an experiment with light?
No, I haven't.
So, like Tatiana, if you haven't, stay tuned because today we will be doing 3 super fun experiments with light. For this fantastic light experiment, you will need a flashlight, a mirror, a magnifying glass, a paper plate, a piece of paper, and a pencil. Your kids will love learning with these 3 easy light experiments to do at home. So let's get started. Step 1. Write down what will the light do, prediction, and what did the light do. Observation on the paper with the names of the items which will be used. For example, mirror, magnifying glass, and paper plate. Experiment 1. Will the mirror stop the light?
Yes, I think it won't stop.
The light reflects on the mirror. It doesn't stop. Experiment 2. Will the light reflect off the magnifying glass or shine through? We think it will reflect. Wow! The light shines through the magnifying glass. Experiment 3. Will the light shine through the paper plate or will it stop?
I think it won't stop.
Wow! The light does stop. It does not shine through the paper plate. Which experiment did you like the most?
Let us know in the comments below.
We think this was a great experiment. What did you think?
Let us know in the comments below.
Well, we have to go now, but please remember to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic science videos with us. See you all next time. Goodbye.